Well, what you can hear around us right now are the natural sounds of the rainforest.
Oh my gosh. I'm going to be very slow.
Walking through the jungle just the other night. Oh, well, I heard a big rumble and I thought it was a fight. Oh, well, I stood and listened and began to move my feet. It was a jungle drummer doing a knocked-out beat. It was a jungle, 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 jungle rock. 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 A knocked-out beat and I had to move my feet. It was a jungle, 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 jungle rock. Oh, well, I moved a little closer just to get a better view. I saw a chip and a monkey, yeah, doing the Suzy Q. Oh, well, a gator and a hippo was a doing the bop. Oh, while a great big frog was a making with the hop. It was a jungle, 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 jungle rock. 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 A knocked out beat and I had to move my feet. It was a jungle, 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 jungle rock. Oh, well, the fox grabbed the rabbit and did the bunny hug. And the whole of his batter was a